Today we'll be showing you how to build the Rosa table. With your Rosa kit you will receive two pre-made X legs, the tabletop and the central shelf, and a bag of 8 bolts. The tools you'll need will be a 13mm spanner and a rubber mallet's useful but not obligatory. Take your Rosa table and put it on your workbench. Take an X-frame leg with the pre-fitted bolt, but make sure that the cap of the bolt is on the outside, and fit the remaining bolts through the remaining pre-drilled holes. Now apply the washers and nuts in any order you like. These need to be loosely finger tight, as you need to have movement of these two units, which will become apparent in a minute. Here I've only fitted one to stop it falling over as I apply all the others. Once you've got the bolts in place, give them a tap with a rubber mallet to pinch them in place. Now we fit the central shelf. Slide the bolt through the pre-drilled holes. All this will fit together quite loosely to enable you to find the optimum positioning. Once all 4 are in place, give them a tap to pinch them with the rubber mallet. And now apply the washers and nuts as before. At this stage, we can go a little tighter as we no longer want the unit to move. Once all the washers and nuts are in place, take a spanner and tighten them up the rest of the way. Be cautious with this, as over-tightening may crush the wood. Work your way around the perimeter of the shelf and then fix the leg bolts. And that's all there is to it. Pepe garden furniture is pressure treated. This process can leave batten marks as you see here, but they weather in over time. We recommend that you use the furniture protector provided with every kit in ½ litre, 1 litre or 2.5 litre tins, depending on the size of the item. This should be applied every 2 to 3 years, depending on exposure, evenly to the outside. Concentrate a little bit more on the end grains and the end of the legs for this darker finish. So there you have it, the Rosa table, quick to build, ready to go.